This place is dark. This place is dark. Can I get a jacket? Can I get a jacket? I am sick today. I am sick today. I feel bored. I feel bored. I am busy now. I am boozy now. I feel tired. I feel tired. I feel sleepy. Sleepy. I am confused. I am confused. I have time. I have time. I am late. I am late.
Sit on the sofa. I sit on the sofa.
Drink some water.
I drink water. Put toys in the box. I put toys in the box. Pick up the book. I pick up the book.
Eat your food.
I eat my food.
Open the window.
I open the window.
Put the shoes here. I put the shoes here. Make the bed.
I make the bed.
Wash the plate. Wash the plate.
I wash the plate.
Close the door.
I close the door.
Pick up the bag.
I pick up the bag.
Wear the shirt.
I wear the shirt.
Fix the carpet.
I fix the carpet.
Hello, Grandpa.
Hello, my dear.
Help me in the kitchen.
Okay, I will help.
Let's go for a walk.
Yes, let's go.
Come here, look at this plant.
Wow, it is very nice.
What are you reading?
I am reading a story.
I feel a little tired.
You should rest.
What are you cooking?
I am making dinner.
Where are you going?
I am going outside. Are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry.
Do you want some food?
Yes, I want some. Can we clean this? Yes, let's clean it. Do you want a biscuit? Yes, I want one. Are you hungry? Yes, I am very hungry. Here, I have a sandwich for you. Thank you so much. You are very kind. Look at the sky. It is getting dark. Oh, we must go home now. Yes, our parents will worry. Let us walk fast. Shh. What sound is that? I hear it too. Is it a bird? Yes. Up in the tree? It is singing such a beautiful song. Nature is so amazing. Oh, This rock is too big for me. Here, take my hand. I will help you. Thank you. You are a good friend. We always help each other. Yes, that is what friends do.